Thinking of asking the big questions soon? Are you and your significant other in sync with your money decisions? Hi, I'm Andy Mattingly, and in today's discussion, we're going to talk about how you can make sure that you and your significant other have congruence on all of the money matters, because money is very important to having relationship bliss. So it all starts with, if you want to have this discussion, of sharing examples of financial decisions that you've made, like how much money you're saving in your 401k or how you're paying off student loans, things like that. Easy discussions, things that all of you have had. It could even be about how you financed your first car. All are easy things to do. The next thing is to kind of talk about what role you envision each of you having in the relationship as you go forward. Will it be one person's responsibility, or will everybody have some tasks that they'll be responsible for? And also, how do you expect the decisions to be made? Will it be equal, or will the person who makes the most money get to make the decision on some of your big financial goals? Next, you might want to share some of your past mistakes that you've made. Maybe you've overspent on something, or you've had a bankruptcy, or you've had a charge-off, anything like that, because you don't want any surprises when life's other big events comes along and then you forgot to share that past. So it's really important to do that. Another thing, because if you want to have a shared life together, budgeting is going to be important. So you really need to talk about what budgeting method that each of you use, and can you find one that both of you will like and be able to handle? Because one may be a planner and the other one may be just looking at what the balance is in the account. So you've got to come to some congruence on what's going to be the budgeting method that you both can understand and use going forward. And finally, make sure you describe any money habits that are annoying. Maybe one of you likes to pay everything in cash and the other one only wants to use a debit card, and maybe, there's no reason that you both can't accomplish what you want. Just talking about why it's important to do and why you're doing it and how it's, makes the other person feel, and maybe you can find out that there's a way that you both can be happy with what you're trying to accomplish by the money habits that you're doing. The only reason it's so important to be in sync with your money is that financial matters are one of the biggest reasons that relationships have problems. So if you want to have a relationship bliss, you need to be synced with your partner and all of their financial concerns. If you want any more information on this topic or any other topic, make sure you visit the financial resources page at forumcu.com, and be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can be updated on all the financial tips that we're constantly putting out there.